Right, in this second toolkit video, we're going to look at calculating with negative numbers. So, the easiest way to think about this is, we'll start off with some positive addition using a number line. So let's say we had, for example, 5 plus 3. Now obviously we can all do that, and it's acknowledging that that's a positive 5. The operation is add, and that's a positive 3. Obviously we don't put the positive signs in there, but if we do, just for the benefit of what we're doing here, it might make it a bit clearer. So if we start on a number line, and we start at 5, and if we add 3 on, we go 1, 2, 3 in that direction, and we get to 8. So we've done 5 plus 3 equals 8. And I'm just showing this method for an easy calculation that we can all do, to then follow this method going forward with some harder numbers. So if we had positive number take away a positive, so let's keep the same digits, and we have 5 take away 3. Well, again, that's a positive 5. That's the operation subtract or take away, and so we're taking away a positive 3. So again, if we were to start on a number line at 5, and we take away 3, we go 1, 2, 3 smaller, so that's 4, 3, 2. And we know that 5 take away 3 equals 2. So using this method now, if we were to start with maybe a negative number, if we were to start with negative 5 add 3, well, firstly, that's a negative 5 because it's got the negative sign in front of it. Addition is our operation, and that is a positive 3. So if we were to start at negative 5 on our number line, there's no difference. When we're adding, we're moving to the right. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3 to the right, and that'll be minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, because we've added 3 on. So minus 5 add 3 is minus 2. The fact we started at minus 5 rather than plus 5 is irrelevant. That's just our start point. Adding a positive number moves to the right. So what if we were to take away a number? So let's start with now minus 5 again, but we'll take away 3. That's a negative 5. It's subtract, and then subtracting a positive. So again, our start point is minus 5. And we know that when we subtract a number, we move to the left. So 1, 2, 3 to the left, that's minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. So minus 5 take away positive 3 takes us to minus 8. What if the second number becomes negative though? Let's have a look at, we'll keep the same digits. So have a look at minus 5 add minus 3. Now we've got a minus 5 start point, like we've had before. We're doing the addition operation, which we know moves numbers to the right, getting bigger, but because we're adding a negative, that means we're doing the opposite. So when we're adding, we're getting bigger, but we're adding a negative, so that means we do the opposite. So adding a negative moves, rather than to the right, moves to the left. 3, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. And then finally, what if this was a subtract? So let's start with minus 5 again, subtract minus 3. Now there's a common misnomer that 2 negatives make a positive. The concern with that is students think there's a positive answer here. If 2 negatives are touching, it effectively means it's going to add, but we'll look at the reason behind that. So this minus 5 is our start point. If we were taking away 3, we'd know we'd be going 3 to the left. But because we're taking away minus 3, we do the opposite. So we go 3 to the right. And that'll be minus 4, minus 3, minus 2.